Can we cut the side of our hair shorter than the top by, I don't know, 9 millimeter?
Bring the ruler, please. Let's just see. Akhwani, when you cut your hair, there's two things to bear in mind. Number one, not to imitate the disbelievers. So if they do something, you're following the trend. Huh? Inch by inch, millimeters by millimeters.
Millimeter by millimeter,
Number two is not to make qaza. Qaza is what the Jews, they do. They shave here and they've got long hair. You've seen them like long hair like that. Long hair like this, long hair. Have you seen it? Okay, that's qaza called. It's not allowed. As for the one which is cuts like around like this and makes it thicker here, okay, if it's imitating the disbelievers, which I believe it is, then I would not really. I'll tell you what, I'll go to the extreme. Would you like your imam, sheikh, to have his hair like this and shade all the way? What do you think? Is it acceptable, digestible, or is odd? Weird? Yes, of course. You don't find like somebody, who's this imam? It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. Fitra, this is instinct. It doesn't fit.